teachers, as well as the staff of Punjus. Today, this morning,
yes.
Baka na bikim ni taki na maru taki na singa. Baka rumbuka di kuwa.
Well, good morning to all the parents, guardian who are joining this morning,
Yeah.
and not forgetting people around there out the wall of Fiji.
Iyo, oi.
Thank you very much. This is to Milner Lebu.
Yeah.
Epatiko is joining right now from the white sand of the earth and Wula Wula. To Epatiko and the village of Lutu and Nimbuka and Naitasiri. Thank you very much. And not forgetting people are joining from Sirimits. From Australia, to Tex Basu, Zek and Dausinga, Choperadiri, Sabenada, Ratuskeli, Chesoni Rogloa,
Right.
Seiri Finau, Kevin Oa from PNG,
Hey, how are you, Kevin?
and Waisna Rusa.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Belum sarap itu kadian mataka di Bengarabi di kuah, usi talaga na di binaka. Bango le chigari bikim ni second dolwale siya na mataka dai. Ka usi bi dem sa nabi nunumi.
Right.
Bango le talaga bir na makanda ro taka tu na bi hotel di bulan sarap nua.
Iyo.
Buru bi matian na non tanga una baru takingo.
Right.
Binaka be arto man win farmers go happy birthday tabale kerker.
Iyo.
Maro roiko. Chris the man under kede sama chico man live page. Ni VTFM na matag ko and to all on behalf of the staff
Right.
and colleagues of VTFM and this the CFL company nabaka binakalebu bende mesika ka. We want to wish you a very happy birthday, a blessed birthday today. Wishing you a day filled with happiness, love, and all the things that make you smile. Enjoy your special day in the mesika ka.
Pinawali.
And mataka binakadikuwa. Seray makindilean, Royan Manaka, happy birthday and happy long life, Amayabu.
Iyo, pinawali. I was surprised when I see this year, the 25th of this year.
Yeah.
It is on a Friday, and I was like this. Woo! When I was young, I see this age up on top.
Right.
Now, it's very, very...
You've reached that age.
Come?
You've reached that age.
Yeah, I've reached this age. Thank you very much to our Heavenly Father for giving me another day, another year of my life. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
Please come forward and join me to the club. Hey, thank you very much. So not only me, people are joining now who are their birthday to today. Happy birthday to ours. Binabali wan binani sinsu to kete kenda.
Dia masih mensana siya bebakani sere bebotai birthday man.
Oh yeah.
Ben Valentine anu mikir kete bos ni Elia Engineering Sumai. Services available lo toka to bulu binaka mana city di suka. Abang bibi bertoro boys rajob suka na pale bo rimbo selebu. Abang turanga. Happy birthday meow.
Yeah, Bilesenia to everyone who are joining this day. Even though we are far apart, like from the human being, we are joining on the live system on the Facebook this morning. Thank you very much for sending your regards. We love you all. Be faithful and be continuous with your prosper.
Belum nak bikin kita kon, benar-benar turanga, bahkan benar kayak Kali Place, tadi ruang air matang di kuah.
Okay.
Alright, take us back to Nampuni Kentamu.
Yeah.
I still can't believe until from that time till today when I first heard the Talanoa.
Yeah.
Ninto na tombu chico may Nampuni Kentamu na ata pernah tadi tombu.
Na bure-bure. Not in Nampuni Kentamu, in bit it's Nakaukawa.
Iyo.
The river from the village. They come together then meet there.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's one pond there.
One pond there.
Ertukina naika. Okay, sangin do chico na kena ibogarau.
Iyo.
Naika bibinak sana tukino ira ground fish naika kana binak.
Iyo.
Okay. Oira kede era laking golikina, sini batarekina, no man is allowed to go to this pond and fish.
Man is allowed.
Okay.
But the thing is,
Iyo.
you can't catch any fish.
Right. Kung nga ya, sana tukunin ka na ba ya?
Yeah, because the owner of the pond, it's a man.
It's a man.
It's a man, but Nabu,
Iyo.
what you call Nabu in English?
It's a man.
It's a man.
Iyo.
He's a man.
Iyo.
He's a woo.
Right. Okay. Nakasangay pagkantong bulok ko. O ira kaya kaya rangan merkato sana kay irangan na marammer laking golikina. Kaya kaya rangan na marammer merkato if they want fish, to be fulfilled. Yeah. And don merkako ni ndara and doni sulu.
Iyo.
Take us.
Okay.
Tell us the story.
This is a true story. It's not a made up story. It is a true story.
Iyo.
This is a pond. We call the pond. This pond is Nabure. People from the district of Wainun, they know this pond. When somebody passed away, like from the family of the chiefs, from Kawakawa, they will not. Nobody is allowed to catching the tambu. So what is unique about this pond? It's tunapunua waivelaroi.
Right.
The mixing of the salt water and the river water.
Fresh water.
Fresh water. So mix it.
Yeah.
In between there is a ndong. Wapo kita tunandong.
Right.
Mangrove trees around them.
Yeah.
But every fish from the deep sea, they live in this pond. Imagine. Different fish from the Waswasalebu. They live in this pond.
True story.
This is a true story. So, in between them, like if you use naikara, naidula kona nukodo mo dula mo naikara. If you use that one, it will never reach the bottom. Bottom. It's very deep. It's very deep. Beside them, you can see the mountain. Nabure. This is Nabure Tumengo. This is a wine rocker. The wine rocker.
Fresh water.
The ice wine rocker. When we call the people from Nakaukawa, which team is that? That's a Waibure. Because everywhere you go, you see the Waibure.
From this pond?
From this pond. It's very coldness. Ice.
Right.
So this pond, the owner na kere bakatawa is Abutangani.
But Yodula touch the bottom.
Whose bottom?
Yodula.
Never touch the bottom. The big tangau. The tangau is a crab, eh? The big crab. Down there, the black one. Oh! The mbolara. The small head and...
Ngay ka na surua, man.
Yeah, the surua na ready nangkasi rawailu. Na ready na surua binangkasi.
Okay, carry on. Yeah.
So, when you about to... Nobody's allowed. Male, you far behind.
Male, you can go, but you can't catch any fish.
Yeah, you can't catch any fish. And another thing, don't ever 50 meter close to the sea, to the pond. Yeah, it's not applicable.
Namaste from Nepal. Text me now, Yandra.
Oh.
Yeah.
Who?
Yeah.
Going back?
Yeah.
And daw tamboy ka na tangani. Only the female.
So when the female go to fish,
the
man not allowed?
Not allowed.
Okay.
He's a jealous fella, the owner.
What are you doing?
No, sinsilia ko na ika, sinsilia. O kaya nga meron doon dua. Iyo, ngoni talon din na.
Okay.
Iyo. Sa when the time of catching. If you wear something inside. But this is a true story.
I know.
This is a true story. If you want to catch many more fish, the fish will be given to you. Don't wear anything. Just go full force.
Okay, go be rama. Okay.
This is a true story.
Okay, I know. Okay.
And the last talk, this is a true story.
Right.
Going down.
Right.
Kaya baka mandang ko ndartal ti unta ka. Mosota, ke muni.
Erna ba katong o erna sa kanibay?
Iyo erna. Ya, nanoke ambu ini kay tumba na kalibu. Nangono ko sa mo sa telefon.
Iyo, mo sa sing mo
Mo, your body doesn't need clothes when you want to go down.
Iyo. Weh.
So when you come back,
he
will give you. I don't know who give it. Maybe that one,
Dito sir.
Daw ko na ibang tao ni Bonoya.
Okay, how long should the woman stay in the water?
Depend on you. On how you want to catch. Kaya baka salay malakabi ko nito yo. Nulian.
Any side effects?
No side effect.
Oy.
O kaya baka may sarsar nga. Ako nagtaw kaya na he doesn't do anything.
Oy.
Kaya baka ang gaya ka na ka? I don't know. I don't know.
But still going on today?
Yeah, during when I was secondary school. People still go there. It's very unique. You know, during the war. That's during the ancient time, eh? There's one hole. Miles away from the sea. From the village. Before, during the war, people used to build the village far away from the sea because the only movement was a ship, eh?
Hold it.
Come.
Okay. Meron tayo pakatawa saying, during the next life, when you die, yung sarili pakatawa ni Tumbo.
Pakatawa ni Tumbo, merahang bukit na marama. Asal kay usah kere-kere. Kesabanggor na mundoro numa. Kesabanggor na mundoro numa kere-kere. Au sen tal ngay bila katan do nelo lomani sinsudu. Sana ko birthday gift cerna
Sana
ko.
bango na kere taka.
Iya.
December ni kadi binombula.
Iya.
Ocho sino musoli de guchiko. Sarto kere buru tok tok tak. Kono
Iya.
tok talibza. Please come forward.
Okay, mai.
Dubra la kala sikar karaw kis bindi. Eksal kita kami ko na sel ni alani.
Sel ngala ni ne mau na kata.
Sana kadi binombula
Iya.
kena ko tuya mulai buat tu dito.
Iya.
Iko saya alani tu.
Au kere.
Tio.
Ndo lu bata kede namba tingu.
Yeah. How about if one tahu elewa 50.
Oh, you know?
Iya.
There's one Taubu from the western side.
Iya.
Who married to the village from Nakawakaw.
Yeah.
He know
When
that.
she goes to the pond,
Yeah.
bakandua.
Right.
Oh,
Because-
bakandua.
Pakanduan, kato idaki, wano na ikalelebu.
Iya, nabitu-butak ini sa-
Nabi sabi to butaki. O kami ngikalain Taubu. Woo! Mo ngay sawa mbera ni nunu bango.
Iya.
Ngay bida talake na sige may daki.
Uy!
Oh, mbera sara niyo adabi mama. Na ikasadi daki may soli may. Atu.
Iya.
Rimba indala Ibanua na ika.
Tuh.
Sika talong kay tom-tom.
Ikaw na maramo ni Vito Virto. Okay, teenagers.
Oh, tinay-Diyos.
Please, when you come back to Fiji
Yeah.
from American Samoa,
Right.
please go on the visit the
Tumbu. Iyo, na buri-buri.
Buru-buru.
Kilaki pa kami ngela ko tinay-Diyos.
Iyo.
Awambutan na setu nga nang batinang kasi.
Eh, matagal ya.
Na setu nga nang batinang kasi nabatungan ko ya. Moa. Au sakere.
Iya.
Au sakere kun do nangaw na kay makanda naman isulen do nangaw nangalalan daro ngande na koro. Okay muni nila.
Honoko.
Iya.
At kung siya mo kalastaka.
Ay siya nga undi na. Kay baka manindo nangaw na isulen do na chance men daro ngande na koro.
Iyo.
Au nakire ko.
Melo.
Mulay baka didiri wala tungay
Di
daki.
ba dir melo kusamay.
Modamot.
Weh, kembali, this gas is too much fakawela.
Ya.
Hah?
Naik bata wa, kailangan na pambuta eh.
Please, okay. Benar-benar nangase.
Iya.
Thank you, nangase.
Benar-benar Punjas can win exciting prizes this Diwali.
Yeah. William, dem scout say na korro. Kasi ko na korro mele gamay. Bikibri no kada, abo mo tari tukun dina ya. Nabi kado tu nanta panu nanta pura-pura. Nanta punu manta ngali pun nabi kan da eto tukina. Ken sengan ni, da se turikila. Kanda kan bawa anti tagai kanda kina na sini ko me tu boy talano. Na no muy tuku tukana matang ni dora kantina.
Kandina?
Iyo.
Talon din, ngo sindor kaya be wala takin, ngo uchini umbulia sa taba.
Hindi sar.
Ngo na kandina, baltawa undo takos kami takos sa nikim do karasumbian.
Mirsa sa goli tu marama.
Siya nga, kami minsan do kilay, ranggol ito na marama kuna toso.
Oh, okay.
Kasi nga kay bakay ko dito mentor ngo nalala, era na buwa tungay way. Sinin do tambi ponwa. O chilo
Stop nga nagyang may no iko topo to ngona.
Mo na nga na melu tunangongu.
Iyo, ang kare tsugo ra kataburumur di tsugo barang.
Ayo na po.
Hey. Sama na siya mayo Lisi.
Binabali utinay esta
Many
manininak.
wale. Happy birthday Dems. Pinabali besar. Ya, tapi bukan dari ngai na bunang taos palang show untuk nitalon din ya. Bikin tahu mentang kaya baka manito nang unik nang nanti kita mayabu. Kaya baka balabut siya ng bula. Una kiri ko me coach usar tu yan na baravi totokongo. Baravi kami de kena ngasa na kena ika.
Iyo.
Lewena di waso mi na kena sui. Kina bika kaya de na kena ndalo talang ay tukina. Na kena way ni bonua. Na sudu ni way nunu na tukuna. Ndore siya mana coach usar.
Kero mi kero sada ba?
Pongo. Iyo. Doro mo na.